Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a video inside your web page with Elementor. So as you can see, I'm already inside my website page builder in Elementor. So what you have to do is just simply click on the plus icon over here, then just simply choose a structure in where you want to place the video. So I'll just simply choose this 2-block structure. Then as you can see, the 2-block structure has been created. Then in the Elementor menu, you will see that there are a few options like image, text and video. What you have to do is just simply hold video and drag and drop onto a section like this. And it will create a dark section in where Elementor will show video made by them. So now first, let's change the page layout a little bit so we can see it much better. So for doing that, just simply go to settings, page layout and make it full width. So as you can see now, it's looking much better. What you have to do is just simply click on the pencil icon over here. Now in the link, just simply delete this existing link. Then copy and paste your video link. So just simply paste your link, and within a few seconds, the video will appear over here. Now you will have few options like start time and end time, which you can set on your own. Then comes autoplay, mute, loop, player controls, modest branding and privacy mode. Now let me show you a few things. So as you can see, if I click this play icon over here,
hello everyone.
So the video started playing. So you will find few settings over here. So after start and end time, there will be more settings down over here. So the first setting is autoplay. Autoplay means when you will first appear on the screen, the video will automatically start playing. Let me show you. So as you can see, I just enable the autoplay option and the video starts playing. So now if I just simply update this first, then if I go to my website, as you can see, there is nothing down here right now. So first I will refresh it. Then as you can see, the moment the website loaded, the video automatically starts playing. So that's what autoplay does. Now the next setting is play on mobile. So it is the same thing but in mobile. It will start playing in the mobile as well. Now the next setting is mute, meaning when the website is loaded and the video started playing, as you can see, it is currently muted because I have muted this, but for everyone else the video will have audio. In order to mute the audio, what you have to do is just simply enable this mute option over here. Then if anyone loads the page and when the video starts playing, the video will automatically be muted. So that's the function of mute over here. And the loop is already self-explanatory. If you enable this, the video will be always on loop. So the next option is player control. So if you disable this, the player control that you see right over here, like play, mute, volume and etc, and subtitle settings and YouTube and full screen etc, it will be disappeared. Let me show you. So just simply click this and the player control will be disabled. And now when I play this video, there is no player control down here anymore. And now if I update this, then if I go to a website, as you can see, there is the player control over here right now. So if I refresh this page, and now if I play the video, there is no player control. So that's what the player control settings does. Now comes the privacy mode. You can read the information for the privacy mode right over here. Basically what it does, it will not collect any type of information about the viewer who is watching the video. So that's all about how to add a video in your website with Elementor. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.